How workforce management can help solve your labor shortages. Businesses often assess their workforce based on the current labor demand forecast. This may seem like a logical approach, but what if the forecast isn't as accurate as you think? Our experience at ShopWorks has shown us that there are many pitfalls when assessing existing labor demand forecasts. For instance, some businesses lack a model, forcing them to adapt to a generic working pattern to meet demand. Others rely too heavily on manual spreadsheets and manager inputs, which can introduce biases and overestimations. And then, there are those models that aren't updated frequently enough, failing to reflect real-world factors like seasonality and holidays. Without a prior sales forecast, businesses often end up relying even more on manual inputs. Different locations have varying staffing needs, yet many businesses use a one-size-fits-all model. And let's not forget about overly simplistic models that just add hours based on yearly sales growth, failing to account for daily or hourly demand changes. If any of these challenges sound familiar, you might not have a staff shortage, but rather an inaccurate labor demand model. That's where an AI-powered labor demand forecast comes into play. It does more than just accurately predict staffing needs. A solution that considers various real-world factors, reallocates hours to peak times for maximized revenue, and eliminates the padding that often inflates perceived labor shortages. And it doesn't stop there. Modern solutions provide employees with tools that enhance their work experience, including ensure that employees are paid accurately and on time, streamline communication between staff and management, and make leave booking effortless. Promote flexibility by letting staff swap shifts and employee fairness by using AI for scheduling and time-off approval. So, before diving headfirst into recruitment campaigns, it's worth taking a moment to evaluate the effectiveness of your workforce management and labor demand forecasts. With the right tools and approach, you might discover that the solution to your staffing woes is more accessible than previously thought. If you want to find out more about the subject or want to talk to us about our technology, get in touch.